Good evening, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And on a day when nothing really seems to be working other than inverse ETFs, one of the stocks that I'm seeing that is actually showing some pretty good pin action is Immunic, or maybe it's pronounced Immunic or IMUNIC. I don't know. It's IMUX, which is kind of like IMUS, only not. So what I'm seeing here is a stock that's in a trading box. If we just kind of draw it here, this is the last high, the big high there. This is the low right around the 50-day moving average, and the stock is essentially right in the middle of this box. So why am I drawing this box? Simple. Because I'm looking at this stock and I want to buy it, but I'm not really getting the sense that this is the time to buy. Kind of a not right here, right now moment, because it's pretty close to this resistance area here. So let's say you're buying it here. You've got about almost 6% of upside. But if this would have to be your stop below the 50-day moving average, because the stock traded back down there a couple days ago and has since rallied off of that, and so it would certainly be okay for the stock to pull back and test that. Shoot, it might even test the 50-day moving average, right? So if it does that and it's still normal price action, comes clear down here to test this, which would really offer you a really good entry, a stock back down below 18 bucks to 17.80, 85, 17.90, that would be the real time to buy this stock. And keep that in mind, because I think it would. But now you're looking at a stock that if you buy it now, you have to look at this early prior resistance here and say, okay, I got less than 6% on the upside, and I've got almost 9% on the downside. That's not a trade that you want to make. This may very well be a stock that you want to own. I mean, look at it. It's a nice little zigzaggy stock here, trading in a range here since it peaked. And since that time, we are getting some higher lows right here. You're getting a move here and now a flat top. So I'm looking for this kind of a breakout, but I don't really see that tomorrow is the day that could happen. So my preference would be to either wait for a pullback and then take a smaller position with a tight stop, a tighter stop than you could have if you're buying it here. You're buying it very close to the bottom of the range, take a half a position, and then when and if the stock comes to break out, that's when you round out your position, and you've got a cost basis that's in the middle of the box, but you haven't had to take a lot of risk in order to get that cost basis. So anyway, that's how I would trade the stock. Hope this helps you, and if it does and you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor, first 30 days are on me, so give it a try.